Pro audio users need reliable and high-quality connections to deliver the best possible experience for their listeners. Neutrik ProFi RCA cable connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, feature an all-metal design with retractable ground contacts that make first and break last, ensuring there is no disturbing noise or damage to speakers or other equipment when mating or unmating. The gold-plated contacts are rated for more than 2,000 cycles. They're precision machined and have a large soldering area for fast and easy termination. Neutrik ProFi RCA cable connectors feature unique chuck-type strain reliefs that accommodate cables with outer diameters from 3 to 7.3 mm. After decades of Neutrik offering a pair of red and black coated connectors as part number NF2C-2B/2, both of the connectors in this new NF2C-2B product are black coated. That makes this ideal for SPDIF, subwoofer, and other applications where different color coding is not necessary. They have a sleek barrel with a soft touch surface and colored shrink sleeve. They're IP40 rated and can operate at temperatures from -30 to +80 degrees Celsius.